All right, good evening, everyone. David here. We're tracking severe weather across portions of central Texas right now. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch for Williamson, Travis, Lee, Fayette, and Milam counties. Starting to notice some rotation in central Texas. Velocity tracker not really picking up on super well in the rotation, but I got a feeling something is beginning to rotate. All right, so I restarted my entire computer. I'm hoping get to the latest here. So tonight in Central Texas, and why do we have a weather alert? That is a great question. So this special weather statement is for 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is radar indicated. So again, Williamson County, Bastrop, and Lee counties and associate with this special weather statement. And right beside it, towards College Station, there's a severe thunderstorm warning that is outside of the storms developing right behind this pretty intense guy just near Elgin. A storm right behind it, another storm. The newest thing to mention about is there is a mesoscale discussion concerning about flooding from San Antonio back up down towards Longview and Shreveport, and out towards the hill country. But there are a few storms to the north of Llano, and there's some storms in far northern Burnett County currently ongoing. But I'm really getting worried and concerned about this storm that is in Williamson County, Lee County, and there's a little hook. So we will have to see what happens with this storm. So let's check velocity here real quick. Still nothing rotating according to velocity, which is great news, but still we'll have to see if any inflow is so laggy right now. But again, we'll have to see if something can try to spin as we continue to monitor this very closely for you folks. So again, as of right now, just a special weather state here in the next few minutes or a few seconds to at least the next minute or two. I think it should be a severe thunderstorm warning. A little surprised it's not by now, but still monitoring that closely. The storms down here to the southwest, these could be the next show as well. Maybe strong storms and maybe even further down south as well. And again, severe thunderstorm warnings just outside the storm alert weather viewing area. So again, a whole lot of activity right now that we're monitoring for you, and yeah, a lot of stuff going on. So yeah, my computer, I had to restart my entire computer because it's being so weird. So that's why the entire video is probably super laggy. There we go. So it looks like the rotation, or potential rotation I thought with this storm, looks like it may be going away, hopefully. West side of town. Is there anything rotating with that? Nothing. How about down here near Lockhart, San Marcos? Not a whole lot to speak of. Wait, no, don't locate me. What? No. Go draw. There we go. So, as we see this near Lockhart, east of San Marcos, a little storm that we're monitoring. If these were to go severe, yeah, I would not be surprised if these were to go severe in about less than 3 minutes, or in 3 minutes or something like that. This will become severe, and then maybe a special weather statement for this storm here, and then it'll go severe. One of the two will happen for these storms, because just looking at it, it definitely looks like there could be some big hail with this, possibly. It's called an area for discussion. There's a raw text they send me on what they think. So give me a moment here as I get that fixed. Also, I noticed the stream keeps buffering here and there. I don't know why it goes in and out, in and out. It's just super annoying. I can probably go settings and check that. Okay, so I just did something different and new. Hopefully, whatever I did fixed. Severe. I mean, these are. Oh, there we go. New severe thunderstorm warning in Central Texas right now. It's been several months since we've had severe weather in Central Texas, and the streak ends right now. So, we got a new severe thunderstorm warning in our eastern counties. This is for Lee County and Central Texas for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This morning, this is for the Giddings area under this warning here. Well, we have noticed there has been some rotation here and there, so let's check velocity here to see if there's anything trying to rotate, and there's nothing. At times there has been. Eastern Lee County, it's because of this little cell right here that's prompted a severe thunderstorm warning. So again, something that we're watching here very closely as our streak of seeing this on. And then we're tracking some more storms right behind it. I wouldn't be shocked if these would become strong storm alerts, maybe even a severe thunderstorm warning following this one. So again, long storm, and then guess what? As well. And could these become severe? Maybe so. I mean, this one over here definitely looks like it could become severe any minute now. And then right over here down towards the south, definitely would not surprise me. Near Lockhart, if that could really strengthen up and maybe become severe here in the next little bit. So again, multiple areas of storms that are just going to continue to get stronger and stronger and stronger, really. I mean, the worst of the weather is anywhere from our hail tracker. So that's usually indicating some very large hail. So again, we're watching it. Obviously, it's a little concerning to me that we're seeing hail that large or that dark on color on our map here. And then just to the southwest of that, we're getting very similar look over here as well. Maybe hail up to Nichols, maybe wind speeds up to 60 miles per hour. I think the hail size might be up to quarters possibly. So we do have this tonight until 12 a.m. All right. I'm about to ask Google, saying, Google, how do I fix this? How it keeps skipping. So once again, severe thunderstorm warning in Central Texas. This is in Lee County now in our viewing area. Of course, watch this very long storm alert, as I also just predicted. Right on top of Bastrop now with this. This is updates with that. And again, wouldn't surprise me if we go further down south towards Lockhart that this could become maybe severe eventually. But yeah, again, crazy. I called it. I called it. Strong storm alert for Bastrop. That did happen. And I called the severe thunderstorm warning. It did happen. And I expect another severe thunderstorm warning for the areas in Bastrop County, maybe even Lake County soon. I do expect that to happen here soon. And in Lockhart, wouldn't shock me if this were to strengthen up quite significantly, possibly. So really, it's just We have to, let's figure out why it's doing this. Advance. Okay, that was allowed to expire. Alexa, what are my notifications?
One new notification from Amazon. On Wednesday,
Alexa,
there's a
stop. Streamlabs. Yeah, I've been thinking about switching to Streamlabs lately. And take like 10 minutes to add or talk about, if that makes sense. Because there's a lot of things I would have to apply. Like, see, as the bottom right of the screen, yeah, I would have to add all that kind of extra stuff. Okay, I think weird setting thing. So instead of it just buffering, it should make it where I lag. And you'll just have to deal with the lag instead of it buffering. I mean, what do y'all prefer, a lag or having it buffering? I think I would prefer the lag. So I made it where it lags, or if it ever buffers, that means there's something really, really wrong with the Wi-Fi or something. But yeah, so my apologies, internet related, and there we go. It should have buffered. So weird. Yeah, I'm so close to just scrapping this entire weather coverage. What I may do is I may just stream on StreamYard maybe. But problem is no green screen. Let's see here. Got report of a train storm spotter. Reports of hail up to $half size. So I got a strong feeling that we'll have a new severe thunderstorm warning in Bastrop County here very soon. So we will see what happens. Definitely wouldn't shock me. So of course we are watching all of this for you. It was hailing. Okay, so we got, yeah, Brian, yeah, I got reports in Bastrop that there wasn't a hail. So I guess you were experiencing some hail as well. So yeah, just near Bastrop, we got reports of $half size hail. Even storm spotters reporting it. Looks like I'm getting confirmation in the chat. So you took a picture of the hail. If you could send it to me on Twitter or something, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome if you could. But this would become severe as well in Lockhart. But again, I would here any minute now. We should have a new severe thunderstorm warning for Bastrop County. We have one in Lee County now in Central Texas. So we got one severe thunderstorm warning. We're about to get a second one. I bet you a new special weather statement will pop up near Lockhart. And then fantastic. But yeah. Inch. Over an inch. And again, I apologize. I don't know why the entire broadcast continues to buffer every like 1 minute or less. So weird. We have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings. Did they ever add a tornado threat today? Okay, they did add the SPC. I still have it. I just made an entire new account. Okay, some reason we're buffering. There we go. All right. So, I still have my old account, or no, I have a new account, Brian. All right, so we have this new tornado threat that I didn't even know we were that parts of far eastern counties are under. So, new tornado threat goes from Houston. Yeah, I'm a little surprised that it's taken the National Service this long to issue this new severe thunderstorm warning for Bastrop County because of yeah, I remember that too. That was crazy. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because I already have a few of my local weather graphics. All I need to do is just present them to you guys, and then I can just show my local graphics instead of just using the weather. And we got reports. I got 2 new reports of hail, nickel. Again, I'm very surprised there has not been a severe thunderstorm warning yet for Bastrop County. Oh my gosh. And what I may have to do is, I think what I have to do is probably end the live stream and then come back. Because that's why it keeps freezing up. This happened before. So once again, I am currently getting the local graphics quickly. I gotta make sure everything is working properly before I fully show them on air. If that makes sense. It's also a graphic I need to make. Or not really make, I need to find it and then bring it back. Got multiple alerts that just got issued. A new mesoscale or they're still discussing about the severe thunderstorm watch now. I'm gonna go. Oh, okay, we're back. So what I'm likely going to do is I'm going to end the live stream right now, and I'm going to return in about 10 minutes. So at 7:21, we should be live again. And that's